Hello, my name is Tony. Today I'm going to show you how to add objects to a scene in ZenCub3d. So this is an empty scene that I created earlier, and now I'm going to add some objects to it. So open the generic radio menu, which is done by right-clicking at nothing, or make sure nothing is selected and press space. So I'm going to start by adding a character. So left click on add character. Yep, so this is a add character interface. You left click and drag the scroll bar or hold down the middle mouse button to scroll, or scroll the mouse wheel up and down. Yep, yeah. So left click to toggle selection. You can add multiple, of course. And yep, so now we've got 3 characters. Left click to select and press F to make one of them the center of the camera, so it's easier to navigate. And yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to add some objects to it. So right click and add prop. This is a desert, so I'm going to add a plant, the dead tree. Yep, so here's a dead tree, and so rotate, and let's shift and drag with middle mouse button just in case you forgot, and look what you've got. So now you might think this scene is now arranged to the way that you like. So you want to move things around. Left click on the tree, and you see the widget. Those curved lines are rotation guidelines, and the arrows help you move. So yeah, so the red moving on the x-axis, the blue moving on the z-axis, green is on the y-axis, and rotation x-axis, that's z-axis, that's around the y-axis. And if you think you've got the rotation all weird, you can reset rotation by pressing Alt plus R. So there. And there's a purple pyramid in the middle of the widget, which is the grabbing tool. You can just grab it, and the item will follow wherever your mouse cursor is, and it will be clamped to the terrain. And if it collides with things, it will move as well, but it will always clamp to the terrain. So just to test it, try grabbing the tree onto a hill. And now you see it's going up a hill, down the hill, up the hill. Yeah. So yeah, you can press F when you find the dragging is kind of weird. Moving a prop is the same as moving a character. So do the same thing. You can move him off the ground, rotate him, and rotate some more. If you think it's weird, Alt R to reset it and clamp back to the ground. Yep, so this concludes the add objects and characters to a scene tutorial. So if you want to save it, press space or right click at nothing and then click on save. I'm going to call it 2. Yep, so there you go.